Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
I'm having a relationship with you. Plus, I was married to a woman for many years who kept me from my parents and siblings. So, I don't have better details. Thank God that 25-year marriage is over, and my current wife loves my family. Sorry, but the story is true. One hilarious detail. Donald continued to father offspring and date very young women. His current wife is my age exactly, and he has a daughter many years younger than my youngest child. A couple of years ago, I had a conversation with one of these half-sisters, a marvelous person despite half her DNA. Her mother was never married to Donald, and this sister is the age of my youngest daughter. I told her the story of the exploded Porsche. She found it very amusing because she says Donald loves to tell a story about he was prosecuting some mob bosses and a couple of thugs came to his door trying to threaten him. Of course, being the big, bad, brave man he is, he did not back down. And what was his reward? Those thugs blew up his car. I think it's hilarious that he tells this story to his children, but now they know the truth. He is the biggest BSer I have ever met. Also, due to Donald's allegation that it was my sister who blew up his car, what? Not mobsters, but a 22-year-old girl? The condo association or whatever tried to sue my sister for the damage to the carport. It came to naught. They were grasping at straws because there was no evidence, of course, but it did scare her and cause some anxiety. I think what I'm stuck on is the timing in this story. So Donald called and said to Sis that she could have her things back for absolutely no reason. But then that exact same day is the one where they decided to blow up the car. I just don't see how